Hello, I'm in a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and while the vehicle's off and cool, you don't want to work with the system while it's hot, just because this coolant can get to a boil, and some of it's under pressure, so you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out all over you. But that said, this is the main reservoir you'd add to. This is your coolant reservoir. This neck runs to a bigger storage container down there. If your system got really low for some reason, you could also add it directly to the radiator here with this cap. But typically you only need to ever add to this. But if you look down further, there should be a maximum and a minimum line, which I don't know if I can quite get it in the camera, but there's a line down there on the main storage tank. But to fill, make sure the coolant you've got is the same color as what's already in here, and as best as you can the same brand you've been using. Best not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, just take this tap off, either with the funnel or straight from your coolant jug. Just fill as needed till you get to the max line. Screw this on nice and tight, and then I double check around your reservoir, your lines all through around that motor. Make sure you don't have any leaks, that is, or cracks. Same with the radiator. One way to tell the system too, since it works under pressure, is to turn the vehicle on, and as it's running you might see some coolant start to puddle around the motor somewhere or underneath the car. The way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation building is the coolant's going to have a slight coloration to it. It's going to have a slight sweetness smell to it, and then you don't want it on your skin ideally, but say you have a glove and you feel it, it'll have a slight slickness feel to it versus what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.